A 68-year-old patient walked into my office 3 months ago, exhausted and struggling with intimate performance. Today, he has more energy than men half his age and a renewed passion for life. His secret? 3 simple seeds that cost less than $10 and can be found in any health food store. What happened to his body in just 90 days will shock you. Hello, my name is Dr. Julia Merrick. For more than 11 years, I've been helping men over 60 recover their confidence, their intimate health, and the pleasure of living fully. What I'm about to reveal has been hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. Ancient cultures understood something about male vitality that our modern world has forgotten. They knew that nature provided everything needed to maintain strength, energy, and sexual performance well into old age. These 3 seeds contain concentrated nutrients that work synergistically to address the root causes of declining male performance. Unlike synthetic supplements that target single symptoms, these natural powerhouses restore your body's ability to function optimally on multiple levels. The first advantage these seeds have over expensive treatments is bioavailability. Your body recognizes and absorbs these natural compounds more efficiently than synthetic versions. This means you get better results with smaller amounts. The second advantage is sustainability. While medications can lose effectiveness over time or cause dependency, these seeds actually improve your body's natural functions. The longer you use them, the better your baseline health becomes. The third advantage is comprehensive action. Most supplements address only one aspect of male health. These seeds simultaneously improve circulation, hormone balance, energy production, and nervous system function. But here's what makes these seeds especially powerful for men over 60. They work with your body's changing needs rather than against them. As your metabolism slows and hormone production decreases, these seeds provide the specific nutrients your body needs to maintain peak performance. The science behind these seeds is remarkable. They contain compounds that naturally increase nitric oxide production, support testosterone synthesis, and enhance cellular energy production. It's like having a complete men's health formula created by nature itself. The first seed that can transform your vitality is the pumpkin seed. But not just any pumpkin seed. I'm talking about organic raw pumpkin seeds consumed in a specific way that maximizes their potency. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats that directly support male sexual function. Zinc is essential for testosterone production and sperm quality. After age 60, your body's ability to absorb zinc decreases significantly, making supplementation crucial. But here's what most men don't know. Pumpkin seeds also contain high levels of arginine, an amino acid that your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows increased blood flow to your sexual organs. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds works differently but equally importantly. It helps regulate your nervous system and reduces the stress hormones that can interfere with sexual performance. Many men over 60 are deficient in magnesium without realizing it. To get maximum benefits, consume 2 tablespoons of raw, organic pumpkin seeds every morning on an empty stomach. Chew them thoroughly to break down the tough outer shell and release the nutrients. You can also soak them overnight in water to make them easier to digest. Within 14 days of consistent use, most men notice improved energy levels and stronger morning erections. The increased blood flow benefits extend beyond sexual function. Many men report better mental clarity and physical stamina throughout the day. The key is consistency and quality. Choose organic, raw seeds and store them in the refrigerator to prevent the healthy oils from going rancid. This simple addition to your morning routine can create profound changes in your overall vitality. The second seed that can revolutionize your health is the sunflower seed. But like pumpkin seeds, the variety and preparation method make all the difference in effectiveness. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats that support hormone production and protect your cells from damage. Vitamin E is particularly important for men over 60 because it helps maintain healthy testosterone levels and protects against oxidative stress. The selenium in sunflower seeds is crucial for thyroid function and energy production. Many men experience fatigue and low libido, not because of low testosterone, but because of poor thyroid function. Sunflower seeds provide the nutrients needed to optimize both systems. But here's the remarkable part. Sunflower seeds also contain compounds that help your body manage stress hormones like cortisol. Chronic stress is one of the biggest killers of male vitality, and these seeds provide natural protection against its effects. The healthy fats in sunflower seeds are essential for hormone production. Your body needs these specific fats to manufacture testosterone and other important hormones. Without adequate healthy fats, even the best hormone support supplements won't work effectively. Consume 1 tablespoon of raw organic sunflower seeds in the afternoon, preferably between meals. This timing helps stabilize blood sugar and provides sustained energy without interfering with sleep. You can eat them alone or add them to yogurt or salads. Within 3 weeks of consistent use, men typically notice improved energy levels, better mood, and increased motivation. The hormone balancing effects become more pronounced over time, with many men reporting feeling more like their younger selves after 60 to 90 days. The quality of sunflower seeds matters enormously. Choose organic, raw varieties and avoid salted or processed versions. Store them properly to maintain their nutritional potency. The third seed that completes this powerful trio is the sesame seed. These tiny seeds pack an incredible nutritional punch that directly enhances sexual performance and sensitivity. Sesame seeds are loaded with lignans, special compounds that help balance hormones and support healthy testosterone levels. They also contain high levels of calcium, magnesium, and zinc, minerals that are essential for nerve function and muscle control. But here's what makes sesame seeds particularly valuable for intimate performance. They contain compounds that enhance blood vessel flexibility and improve circulation to sensitive areas. This translates directly into increased sensitivity and more intense sensations. The healthy fats in sesame seeds support nerve health and hormone production. Your nervous system requires specific fats to function optimally, and deficiencies can lead to decreased sensitivity and reduced sexual response. Sesame seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin. Balanced serotonin levels are crucial for sexual satisfaction and can help prevent premature ejaculation by improving your control and extending your staying power. To maximize benefits, consume 1 tablespoon of raw, hulled sesame seeds in the evening, about 2 hours before bed. You can eat them directly or grind them into a paste. Some men prefer to soak them for easier digestion. The timing is important because sesame seeds can have a calming effect that promotes better sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormone production and sexual health, making this an ideal addition to your evening routine. Within 4 weeks of consistent use, many men report increased sensitivity, better control, and more satisfying intimate experiences. The effects continue to improve over time as your body builds up optimal nutrient levels. Now let me reveal the specific combination method that multiplies the individual benefits of these 3 seeds and creates synergistic effects that can transform your intimate life. The key is timing and proportions. Take 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds in the morning, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds in the afternoon, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds in the evening. This schedule aligns with your body's natural hormone cycles and maximizes absorption. But here's the advanced technique that multiplies results. Once per week, combine all 3 seeds into a powerful mixture. Grind equal parts of each seed into a fine powder and mix with a small amount of raw honey. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture on an empty stomach once weekly. The weekly combination creates what I call a nutrient surge that supercharges your body's healing and regeneration processes. The honey helps with absorption and provides quick energy that supports the seed's effects. For maximum effectiveness, rotate the types of seeds every few months. Try different varieties like black sesame seeds or striped sunflower seeds to prevent your body from adapting and to ensure you're getting the widest range of nutrients. Hydration is crucial when consuming seeds. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body process the nutrients effectively. Many men make the mistake of increasing seed consumption without adequate hydration, which can reduce effectiveness. Track your results by keeping a simple journal of your energy levels, mood, and intimate experiences. Most men notice initial improvements within 2 weeks, with progressive benefits continuing for months. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and natural approach. You're not taking pills or following complicated regimens. You're simply providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally, using foods that humans have consumed for thousands of years. If this content was useful for you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment with questions or experiences. And now, don't stop here. Click on the next video that's appearing on your screen and continue learning with me, Dr. Julia Merrick, how to live with more potency, security, and pleasure, even after 60. I'll be waiting for you there.